As Ukraine's drone army keeps on wearing down Russian logistics, this helped lower Russia's defensive capability and build new ones. As seen with this Ukrainian drone flying straight towards a truck next to some dragon teeth, possibly unloading more or working on placing out these. But as the drone had other plans for this truck, the strike can be sure to have taken out the supply truck, making sure Russia's defensive lines can't be built in peace anymore, wearing down every aspect of Russia's defensive line, this time destroying a supply truck, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.